Hello, coming to you with a classic old school bong eats recipe after a very long time. Today's recipe is Kochu Shaak. It's a huge favorite in our house. Kochu Shaak grows wild in Shoptoshi's father's garden, and last monsoon we were able to capture some of the Kochu Shaak in all its glory. We've cooked Kochu Shaak two ways today. The first version is niramish, cooked with coconut and soaked chola, both of which add a nutty, contrasting texture to the silkiness of the kochu. The second version is very classic, very seasonal with Ilish machh'er Matha. I like both versions equally, with maybe a slightly higher preference for the version with the coconut and the chola. But let me know in the comments which is your favorite preparation of Kochu Shaak. The second thing I want to remind everyone of are the other recipes from the Kochu family that we have up on the channel. A couple of years ago, we did Kochu Loti, which we cooked with prawns and mustard. And Koel did some very lovely man kochu recipes, that is the taro root recipes, on her episode of Ranna Ghore Ke. If you remember, she used the same man kochu mixture to make three different recipes. She made man kochu bata with shorshe. Then she did a very crispy brown golden paturi. And finally, she also did what she called a kochu nara, which is kochu bata tossed around in a pan. We will leave the whole playlist of the Kochu family recipes in the description box and in the cards. You can check them out. And the last bit of thing I wanted you to check out were our India spices. We are back. We'll make all the formal announcements soon, but I just wanted to give you guys a sneak peek. You can check them out on our website bongeats.com/spices, and you can directly place your orders from our website. On with the Kochu Shaak recipes.
আম ডালটা কেটে দেবো
না
it.